Yung paglilid ng prayer niya is mag-start kay Kelly. Now,
Bayan tamhala. Buwan na kabidyo. in class, can you please settle down? Okay. Good morning, class.
Good morning, teachers.
So before we start our lesson, let us seek first the guidance and wisdom of the Lord through a prayer to be led to us by our prayer leader for today.
Papasalamat po kami sa araw na po. Naligtas po kami lahat na nakapunta sa kami ng araw. Papasalamat din po kami sa lahat ng iyong biyaya at sa gabay na iyong binibigay. Patawarin po kami sa aming kasalanan. Ganun din po ang nagkasala sa amin. Wala po kayo panalangin sa pangalan ni Jesus.
So, Denise, who are absent today? May I see your attendance? Ay, sige, later na lang. Okay, so, as we go on with our discussion, I want you all to be reminded of our classroom rules. Can you read it, class?
Raise your hand to speak. Respect each other. Listen to your teacher. Keep your classroom clean.
So I hope that you will follow and internalize these rules. You may now take your seat. So before we proceed with our lesson, we will have first an activity called word search. You will just hand for the 5 words in the box. Take note of these words for it is very important to our lesson for today. Nakikita niyo ba? Meron kayong hanapin na 5 word dito sa activity natin. So, anyone? What's the idea? Okay. Yes. Oh, word. Okay, very good. Our first word is Pythagorean. Next, anyone? Next. So, tapos na yung Pythagorean. Ito yung Pythagorean. Nalilito kayo kung saan nakita ni Pedro. Dito siya. Pwede siyang diagonal. Pwede yung nakakaba. Pwede yung mataas. So, okay. Raise your hand if you want to speak. Angel word. Okay, that's correct. Our second word is angel. Ano ba angel? Yes. Okay, very good. Next. Next. So, tapos na yung Pythagorean. Tapos na din yung angel. Okay, Joel? Right, okay. Nakita niyo ba saan yung right?
Yes.
Where? Okay, very good. Ito yung right. Next, meron pa tayong dalawa. Okay, Javid. Okay, very good. Bilangin nyo yung mga yung mga nire-recite nyo. Kapag may 15 kayong na-recite within this week, meron kayong prize sa akin sa Friday. Okay? Sayang yan. Last one. Pwede siyang diagonal. Sirit na ba? Sirit. Meron pang isa. Take note of your points ha. May prize kayo sa akin sa prize. Sige, try. Let's try. Wala namang maling sagot. Okay, that's wrong. So, sirit na. Ito yun. Ito yung word pa natin. Okay, legs and hypotenuse. Okay, so let's define first the word that we found from our activity. Okay, can you raise your hand if you want to speak? Anyone who wants to read the meaning of Pythagorean theorem? Okay, Kelly? Pythagorean.
Pythagorean theorem is commonly used in solving the sides of a mathematical principle that states that some of the squares that represents right bracket is equal to the square of the longest side or
The longest side or hypotenuse. So ito yung sinasabi ng Pythagorean theorem. Sabi niya, it is a mathematical principle that states the sum of the squares of two shorter legs. So, I will illustrate to you an example. maiisip nyo kapag sinabing square of two shorter legs? The sum of square of shorter legs. Anyone? So, ano yung naiisip nyo kapag square of two shorter legs? Ito yun. So, ang equation natin is magiging A. Okay, very good. Narinig nyo ba sinabi ni Ben? Can you stand up yan and say to your classmates? Okay. Magiging A squared. The sum. Ano yung mathematical symbol natin para sa sum? Okay. Very good. Plus. I know, basic. Next. Okay, very good. Is equal to of a right triangle is equal to the square of the longest or hypotenuse. Okay, very good. It will become C squared. So our Pythagorean formula is A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Next. Okay, anyone who wants to read the definition of a right triangle? Jamin.
Right triangle. So triangle, one is also known as
Okay, very good. So, para maging right triangle ang isang triangle, dapat ang measurement ng legs ay, okay, very good. It should be 90 degrees. Okay, last, who wants to read the definition of hypotenuse? Okay, very good. So, where do you think is our hypotenuse here in the illustration? Okay, C is the hypotenuse. Let's take a look at this illustration. Okay, everyone, can you read? Okay, number 1, 2, number 1. 1, 2, 3, go.
Pythagoras' theorem is a rule that applies only to right-angled triangles. A right-angled triangle has 190 degrees angle. The longest side of the right-angled triangle is called the hypotenuse.
So, from that activity, what do you think is our lesson for today? Anyone? Okay, meron siyang point, hypotenuse. Pero in general, ano ang lesson natin for today? Okay, that's correct. We will be going to discuss about the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so let's have an activity ulit called right triangle or not. Bilangin na yung mga points ha kasi more on recitation tayo. Okay, number 1. Is it okay, Bien?
Right triangle.
Okay, very good. This is a right triangle. Can you explain why it is a right triangle?
It is on the left, B is right.
It has 190 degree angle.
Okay, very good. It has a 90-degree angle. Number 2. Anyone? Anyone?
Left.
Miljay? Nagtatas ka, Miljay? You can try. Madali lang naman.
Right angle na ay left angle.
Huwag niyong tawanan. He's just trying to angle. Anyone who can explain why? You can raise your, okay. DJ. Okay, very good. Nabaliktad lang, pero meron pa din siyang right angle. Okay. And the last one is, okay, Christina. Why? Why did,
Walang writing.
okay, very good. It has no right angle, which is 90 degrees. Okay, very good. So, based on our activity, any right triangle that has a right angle is called a right triangle. Lahat ng triangle na may 90 degrees, isang 90 degrees, is a right triangle. So, two sides from a right triangle is called what? What do you think? Ano yung sinabi ko kanina kung nakikita? Ito, are called? Hindi. Okay, very good. Sino nagsabi ng legs?
Dennis.
Okay, that's correct. This is our legs. And this is our hypotenuse. Okay, very good. So our hypotenuse is called the longest side. Please take note of the definition, ha? It's the longest side of a right triangle. Okay, so let's take a look at this example. As you can see in the picture, what do you think is the value of the shorter legs? What do you think is, guys, please keep the classroom silent. Okay, so what do you think is the value of the shorter leg? Given muna tayo sa given. Okay. So, 8 centimeters. How about the longer leg? So what do you think is the unknown?
Longest.
Okay. So C is our unknown. Nasusundan niyo ba?
Yes.
Bakit maybe? Okay, so now, what do you think is the formula in finding the unknown? What do you think is the
8
formula?
8 plus 15 equals 8 plus 15 times 2.
Okay, so I will introduce to you the formula that we will be going to use to solve the missing quantities.
8 plus 15.
Baka nagtataka kayo kung bakit naging ganyan yung formula natin. So in finding the hypotenuse, we will be going to use the formula
A equals
C is equal to
The
A square root of the square.
B. So baka nagtataka kayo kung paano nakuha ito. Ang formula na ito is derived from this formula. So, alam niyo ba kung paano nakuha? I-derive ko pa ba kung gusto niyo bang malaman pa?
Yes. Yes.
So, ganito yun. Since C is the unknown, we will be going to extract the square here. Do you understand?
C equals square root of
So we will be going first to extract the square root. So, a squared plus b squared. So para matanggal yung square dito, anong gagawin natin? Okay, very good. So, c is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. Next is for the leg A or the shorter leg. Ano ang equation natin dyan?
A equals the square root of C squared minus B squared.
Okay. So dito naman, para makuha itong formula for A or for the shorter leg, we will be going to ano sa tingin nyo? Since yung A natin is may kasama pa siyang ibang variable, ano ang gagawin natin? Okay, very good. We will be going to transpose to the right. Naintindihan niyo ba?
Yes.
Okay. So magiging
Negative.
C squared.
minus A squared.
Okay. So we will be going to extract the square. Therefore, nakuha na natin yung formula in solving the shorter leg. How about if B is the unknown? O kapag B naman yung unknown? The square root of
For B C yun.
C squared minus
A squared.
A squared. Okay. So, ganun din yung process sa pagkuha ng formula ng B. We will be going to transpose A to the right side of this part. So, magiging,
C squared minus A squared.
then extract the square root. Then we will get the formula. Now, kindly bring out your notebook and try to answer this activity. Ready na? Okay, our activity is called Tell Me, Missing Me. So, I will be flashing figures. Silence, class. Makinig kayo. Dami. Okay, so I will be flashing figures. Then you will identify the missing quantity. Then tell what formula will be used in to solve the missing quantity. Okay, so kindly read the direction, class.
Identify the missing quantity, then tell what formula will be used to solve the missing quantity.
Okay. You will just answer for 3 minutes. Okay, please start. Mag-answer kayong lahat, ha? Sagot, please. You can use this as a guide. Hindi nyo muna isa-solve. I-identify nyo lang yung given, tsaka yung unknown. Tapos, sasabihin nyo kung anong formula ang gagamitin natin. Well, kasi guide. Yan ang pasan? Tapos na ba? Anong number ka na? Okay, so maingay na. So tapos na ba kayo? Okay, so kindly exchange papers counterclockwise. B1. One, two, three, 4, 5.
Ay, kasi yung gaya. O, si gaya.
What's answer number 1?
Sabay.
Okay, who wants to answer number 1? Okay, Joanne, can you answer number 1? Number 2. Do you agree, class? Okay. So, ang representation ni Joem is sa tama pa rin naman, but you can name it as A, B, and C. Sino nakakuha? Can you raise your right hand? Pwede rin. Pwede rin daw HYP. So, you can identify ito yung line segment HY, line segment YP, and line segment PH. Bakit hindi nyo nakuha? Diba sabi ko kanina, meron na kayong representation sa board na ito yung A, ito yung B, ito yung C. So, ang value ng A natin is 5 cm, ang B natin is 12 cm, and ang unknown is C. So, what formula, Joem, ang nararapat ka sa pagkuha ng C? Okay, can you read?
C equals the square root of A squared plus B squared.
Sinulat niyo ba?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Correct. Number 2. Anyone who wants to answer on the board? When? May subjective. So, ito given. Tapos, nung ay malijay? Noon tip? Diba sabi ko kanina yung identify? Yan lang. Okay, so pwede. You can identify the missing quantity, then tell what formula will be used. Okay? Kung sinabi niya na yung missing lang yung sinulat niya, pwede lang. Then yung formula, one check. Okay, who wants to answer number 3, 4, 5? Ay, number 2, 3, 4, 5. Nag-isa. Kelly. Denise. Krista. Number 5. Number 4. Any other hand? Nathaniel. Okay, sa number 2, ano ang ano natin? Okay, so ano ang formula for in finding the missing SA? Kasi lang dapat kumantin na lang. Di ba, sino tinakalo number 2? naman is, tama ba to?
Yes.
Yes.
O sino nakaalam ng number 3? Okay naman din yung naala. Ano din namin, di ba? Tapos,
Identify value indicating.
tama pa din naman yun.
Ano pag yung missing yung sinulat ay ma'am?
Tama pa din naman kapag sinulat nyo na yung A is unknown. Kapag ganito yung sinulat nyo, tama pa rin.
Yan sa bulan.
Okay, sa number 4. Ganito yung ginawa nyo. Sige, okay lang. Since nakuha na naman yung formula, may 1.5. Sa number 5, so, tama ba to? A is the unknown. A, tama. A yung unknown. Tapos, formula is A is equal to C squared minus B squared. Okay, can you return the paper to the owner? 1. Sino nakaalam ni Ted? Okay, very good. Stop. 8 kami. Ano na kayo?
One.
Kita nga. Listen. Listen class. Kasi na yung representation na. Diba? Mini triangle. Napalibaliktad lang like that. Alipaspasit is the letter A. Adipinakadakdakkel B. Adipinakadakkel C. Very good children. Yung ating unknown, gagamitin niyo ba? Okay. Tawagan niyo? So, the A, the unknown, gagamitin niyo ba? Okay. So, the B, class din na, class. Okay, so, now, magbigay kayo ng things na triangle in shape. Or magsabi kayo ng mga bagay na nakikita nyo sa paligid nyo na triangle in shape. Anyone? Okay, Nathaniel? Code, okay? Code, triangle siya.
Ay, Nathaniel. Nathaniel, nasan yung phone dito?
Ano sa tingin nyo ito? Meron ba siyang right angle? So, hindi siya right triangle, pero part siya na. Si Kelly, may sinasabi siya kanina si Kelly. Sige, tumayo ka. Sabihin mo sa kasi. Okay. Sabi ni Kelly, itong square daw is kapag ginagyan mo ng line dito, magiging okay. So sa tingin nyo, right triangle ba siya? Okay, very good. So, pwede dito yung angle niya. So, magiging right triangle siya. Nakatan nyo? Okay.
Yes.
So, ulit, mag-activity ulit tayo. Anya ulit gamitin tayo ng hypotenuse iti
equals the square root of a squared plus b squared.
How about if b naman yung missing?
B equals the square root of c squared minus a squared.
Paano kung yung a?
A equals the square root of c squared minus b squared.
Okay, very good. So, saan nanggaling yung mga formula na yon na ginamit natin? Saan galing yung mga formula na to? Sa tingin mo? Yung sabi ko kanina, saan galing itong mga to?
Square.
Yan. Kay stand and figure na.
A squared plus b squared equals c squared.
Okay. This formula is derived from the Pythagorean theorem. Di ba dito natin nakuha to kanina?
Yes.
Okay. So, paano nyo na-identify yung mga gagamiting formula? Paano nyo ma-identify na ito yung gagamitin yung formula? Okay. Very good, Kelly. Titignan natin kung nasaan yung unknown. Nawatan nyo, nagatingin tayo ulitan. Okay. Bring out 1/4 sheet of pad paper. Nawatan nyo na ako silang taramitin nyo. Identify a missing. Then, tell the, isulat nyo yung kung anong formula. 1/4 sheet of pad paper. Okay, everyone, can you read the direction?
In a 1/4 sheet of white paper, identify what part of the given figure has the missing quantity and indicate what formula will be used in solving the missing quantity.
So, ito lang yung follow ng format. Yung missing side, tapos yung formula to be used. Okay? Okay na. Okay. Missing side, and then formula. Hindi nyo na kailangan follow this format. Ayan. Missing side, then formula to be used. Nakata nyo? Kasi yung may no C unknown C equal to question mark. Okay, 3 minutes ha. Vincent, hanggang sa Sino pang hindi tapos? Okay, wala na. May mga tanong pa kayo sa lesson natin ngayon? Sigurado ata? Subigat and solve tayo the unknown quantity. For hypotenuse. Okay, so, by class.
Goodbye, teachers.
Ang miss ko lang. Ra lang, ma'am. Kaya wala.